Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to pin a chart to the top on TikTok. Right, it's very simple. Now let's get started. First step to take is of course open your TikTok app just like this, and then you're going to have to click on inbox at the bottom of your screen. Click on that. Now here you're going to find all the charts you've had on TikTok. Now if you want to pin any of this one to the top, this is all you have to do. For example, let's take this particular one, right? For example, this one, and the name of this user is Joker 99. Now if you want to pin this user to the top, this is all we have to do. First we're going to click on the chart. So once you click on the chart just like this, if you look at the top right corner, you notice three dots right there. Click on that. Now if you click on that, then you get the option to pin to top. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to turn it on and head back. Now once you head back, then you're going to notice Joker 99 is now at the top of our chat list on TikTok. So guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.